This is Electric Universe Eyes, and today I am back in my lab. I finally have some things organized here. My variac set up, my rectifier bridge. I found my original Terrera, which this is what I made my first crater in. So I've got this hooked back up. I'm just gonna see if it works. So let's turn it on. Oh, too much of a gap. All right, let's give it another try. Okay, so it works. Hey, if you're watching this, just wanted to let you know you shouldn't do this at home. You shouldn't try this. A lot of people will die doing this. I'm using neon sign transformers at the moment, but some people will get microwave oven transformers, and that'll absolutely kill you. It just takes one accident. So I just wanted to put that out there. Please don't play with electricity unless you know what you're doing. All right. What I got going on right here is my rectifier bridge that I built. Usually this is in a square pattern if you're looking at it on a circuit diagram, but I just took my diodes and laid it on this 2x4 block. The diodes essentially are making the flow split from alternating current to a direction so that you've got a negative voltage and positive voltage coming out. So the positive lead is the anode. The negative lead is the cathode on the bottom. So I could flip these around if I want to get different results. So that allows me to have some control when I'm trying to recreate geological features. So, and it all starts with the variac. So I have the variac plugged into the wall, and that gives me control of how much electricity is being provided to the neon sign transformer. This one is a 10 kV, 30 milliamps. And that guy's running over here. I prefer using the neon sign transformers because it's low amperage. And that's what will kill you, is high amperage like that guy would put out. So again, be safe. And what I'll do now is just adjust the variac. There's full voltage, and then I'll back it down to about 12 o'clock on the variac. And that's where it dies, is at 12 o'clock. When you back it down, trying to make that connection, and it wobbles around, and then we'll start to spark lightning. See how far I can get it without it shutting off. And that was it right there. So we'll go up just a bit. see my electrodes are just a nail and a screw. Quite good with that. It also has lots of craters in the screw from doing that. That's pretty cool. What you're seeing right here is electric discharge machining. So you can see that it is eating away from the cathode, creating these little craters in the metal. And that is exactly how we propose that craters were formed on surfaces such as our own moon. Focus on one area, whatever mineral is sitting on top of that, probably some old clay, and it'll bounce back and forth. I'll turn it up. I just think it's beautiful. Being able to visualize energy transfer is pretty amazing. Like a Jacob's ladder effect. Pretty cool. Okay, guys, Well, I plan on doing some experiments. I'm going to do the clay ball experiment and recreate the crater that I did back in 2018. Maybe I'll try it in reverse polarity. If there are certain experiments that you would like to see with electric discharge, give me some ideas down in the comments. All right, well, thanks for hanging out with me today. I'll be back soon.